In Google Sheets, we have many of the same formatting options that we do in Google Docs, such as making things bold or italic and changing font sizes, etc. We can also adjust the width of columns and the height of rows. You can do this for an individual row or column by dragging the edge of the column or row header to the size that you want. If you want all the columns to be the same width, you can select all of them and then adjust one and they will all change to be the same. If you have a lot of text in your cells or your columns are very small, then the data may not fit in the cell. You have some options about how to display this. If you select a column and then go to the Format menu and then go to Wrapping, you can then choose Overflow, Wrap or Clip. Overflow means that the data spills out from the column into any cells to the right if those cells are empty. If you choose Wrap, that will adjust the height of the row so that all of the text can fit into the cell. And if you choose Clip, it will fit as much as it can in the cell and then anything else will be hidden. Obviously, if you make the column bigger, you can fit more in. If your rows are bigger than your text, you may want to center the text within the row. This button here will center the text like in a normal document, so you can move the text to the left or the center of the cell or to the right. But to center it vertically, you can go to this button here and you can choose to put it in the middle or the top of your row. In general, it's a good idea to put a header on your data so that you and other people know what it is. You can see that we have a header row in this spreadsheet. If you have a lot of rows in your spreadsheet, then as you scroll down the page, you will no longer be able to see the header. To make it easier to keep track of what things are, you can freeze this row. If you go to the View menu and then Freeze and then choose First Row, that row will always be visible as you scroll down the page. You can also freeze columns. And now if I scroll to the right, that first column is still visible.